If your content isn't getting traction, you are probably missing these 5 key things. Gone are those days where you have to go through the process of watching a boring intro before getting to the main content. This is 2025 and I can tell you for free that the content creation world is changing and you need to switch up immediately. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 key things you need to do in order not for your videos to be boring, because the reason why viewers scroll is boring content. You might have great idea, you might have great concept, but your presentation tends to make viewers sometimes to scroll up. So if you need more traction on your videos, stick around. Let's dive into it. The first thing you need to have in mind is hook fast or lose fast. If your first 3 seconds don't grab attention, people will scroll. Do not start with introduction of your name. The honest truth is nobody cares. They don't care. Go straight to the point and do well to start with a bold statement or a question they cannot ignore. The second thing you need to do is make people stay. Make people want to watch your video. Make people want to stick around to the end. The algorithm loves watch time. Keep your videos fast-paced, cut out flops, and use quick editing to keep it real and engaging. Nobody have time. Even when somebody is on YouTube whiling away time, there's still no time. So if there is an unnecessary break in your video, make sure to cut it out, use quick edits, and keep it engaging as it should. The third thing you need to do is using SEO. You can use trending sound and hashtag to boost your reach, but don't just rely on them. Use keyword in your caption and in your hashtag so that people actually find your content. Make sure to do your research and let your caption be SEO optimized. It will help your content. The fourth thing you need to do is storytelling over just posting. People connect with realness, authenticity. So instead of just posting something, tell a story around that thing. Tell a mini story around that thing. Instead of just posting, instead of just talking at them, why not talk with them as if you're talking to your friend right next to you? Talk with them and this makes them hooked till the end. The last thing you need to do is engaging on your posts. Reply to comments, ask questions, and respond to questions in the comment section. Replying to comments, reacting to comments makes your viewer feel valued, feel seen, and it makes them want to contribute more on your channel. Connecting with your viewers on a more deeper level makes them not just to be fans, but loyal subscribers, loyal communities who comes back again and again and again to watch your videos. The fifth thing you need to do is engage on your posts. Always check your analytics to see when your viewers are most active and post in that time and post at that time where they are most active and awake. This helps you to get more engagement on your post, making it pushed out to more people and ending up giving you more reach. So if you have been struggling with views, I hope you've learned something, and do well to share this video to somebody that needs to see this. These are 5 easy steps that will help you to get more reach on every content you put out there. Bonus tip. The bonus tip is I implemented all this step and I was able to make this achievement in a few days after uploading my first very video on this particular channel. You can see the progress I've made on this channel. You can see, go through this analytics and be seeing my journey on how I've been able to achieve this whole milestone by just following these few steps I've shared with you in this video. Make sure to watch and implement. These are easy steps to help you get more reach and traction on every content you post out there. Thank you so much if you've watched up to this moment. I really appreciate you. If you've not subscribed to this channel yet, do it to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and share to as many people as you can so that others will learn something new today. Drop your comments in the comment section if you have questions or something you might want to talk about. Let's connect. On this channel, knowledge sharing section with Ihotu, I share actionable and practical tips to help you monetize your skill and passion effectively as a creator, as creative. So please do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell post notification so you don't miss out on videos that I upload, because I share very impactful videos on this channel which will help you to monetize your skill and passion effectively, even if you're just starting. Until I see you in my next video, take good care of yourself. Bye.